Well, hi, good evening, guys. How are you guys this evening? It's Thursday, March 21st, and I am out here in Smithton, Illinois, ready to show you our brand new listing right here behind me. I'm at 23 Cass Street in Smithton. And this home is situated at the corner of Cass and Smith Street, really close to the police station and the grade school, walking distance to like the churches, Pete's, Walton's, the ice cream shop that is amazing. This home is 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,000 square feet. It's priced at $237,000, and I'm going to show you around. First, I'll give you a look of what's going on the street. Feel free to ask any questions or give me some hearts if you see something that you like. I appreciate your engagement on these videos. It helps me very much. So let's get this tour started. Okay, so I am standing in front of the home looking at the street. Here's the intersection of Cass and Smith Streets, and down here to the left, that building right there is the police station. This is the front of the home, beautiful yellow-sided home. I have gotten so many comments on our Facebook posts about how well loved this home is. It's admired by so many of our Smithton residents. It has been very well cared for. This is Smith Street, and you can see there's the church steeple back there, and then down the street that way is the school. So super quick walk or bike ride for the kiddos to get to school. We have a maintenance-free front porch on here that was a new upgrade. Look how big this front porch is, though. I mean, you could put a little sofa out here, a swing probably. I've always wanted a porch swing, never have had one, but you could do so much out here. So let's step inside and take a look at all of the character, you guys. Look at this front foyer entry. We walk right in to this stunning staircase, original woodwork. The staircase is nice and wide. I want to say it's probably 4 feet wide. And then we have our living room here to the left. The ceilings on the main floor are 9.5 feet, something like that. We have ceiling fan in the living room. Carpets have just been freshly cleaned. And then we have, this door goes down to the basement. I'll show you that shortly. Here is our kitchen. This is such a spacious kitchen. Beautiful wood cabinets. We have the hard surface countertops, stainless steel sink. We have under cabinet lighting. There is this nice pantry cabinet here. There's more counter space in this corner. This movable island will stay with the home, and then all of the appliances that you see are going to stay with the home as well. So the dishwasher, stove, microwave, and refrigerator. And then this here is our main floor master. We have the wood laminate flooring in here. We have a built-in desk. We have 2 closets. So there's a closet right there. There's a closet right there. We have this bathroom attached, and then here's our toilet and step-in tub there. And then we have this back room. That's the addition. That addition was added not too long ago. So this room, we have it set up as a dining room. The current owner, she had what I understand to have like a sitting space over here where she had the television, I think, hooked up right around here, and then the dining table was turned and underneath that light right there. So this served as two different spaces, and then we have this laundry space over here. So you have a half wall that divides the laundry space from the other space. And there's also a laundry hookup in the basement too. So that is another option. So here's where washer and dryer would go. And there's space over here for like a deep freezer or anything else you might need. There's also a closet here, an extra pantry, I would call it. So we have the solid wood shelves there. Let's go upstairs and see the other 4 bedrooms. So like I said, this house is about 2,000 square feet total of finished living space. It has an unfinished basement, which is super clean and nice down there. Painted floors and spick and span clean systems. Okay, we're upstairs and here's our hallway going to the 4 bedrooms and bathroom. All right, so here is the first bedroom upstairs. It has a desk in here. There's a closet. And then we have across the hall another bedroom. So the second bedroom upstairs. Here's our closet. It has this built-in countertop situation, some corner shelving, hooks, and then this shelf going all the way across this wall. All the walls up here are nice and white. Everything's super clean. It smells so good in here. Now this room is we're calling it another bedroom, but it was used as like a craft room or a painting room. And that's why we have the pegboard on the wall, which I think is super convenient. And there's a desk in here. We have a closet. And then we have our bathroom. There's a full bath, sink, toilet, tub, and then there's this little nook here. Got your mirror, and then there is a linen closet behind the door. There we go. We have another closet here in the hallway. There's plenty of storage in this house, gosh. And then here is our 4th bedroom on the upper level with a closet, a desk. And I believe they're willing to leave that bed as well. So let's go down to the basement. I want to show you down there really quick, and then we'll go outside to the backyard and the garage. Please let me know if you guys have any comments or questions as I'm going through here. I'm trying to keep an eye on all of that. So here's the basement. So lights on, doors shut. Okay. So we have these wood steps that go down. As you can see, the floor is painted. It's nice and clean. The basement has been waterproofed. Wood's Basement Systems did waterproof, so there's that barrier along all the walls down here. We have this workbench that'll stay. There's a sump pump over here. And we have some shelving, another countertop deal here, and this is where your washer and dryer would go if you wanted them down here. And there's just some more storage space over here. So the addition where the dining table was is actually on a crawl space. So this home is partially a full basement, partially a crawl space. Alrighty, let's go back up and check out the backyard. The yard, oh my gosh. They put a lot of time and love into that yard. You should see the landscaping. Oh, and by the way, these transoms up here, and they have the mechanism too to open it. I have the key to the garage. Okay, all good. We have another back porch back here. Same maintenance-free material as the front porch. And here's our cute little shed. This is the gardening shed. We have a sidewalk that goes out to the garage. There's a sidewalk that goes over to the side of the home too. And another sidewalk that goes over to this side of the house too. I like this little patio area too back there. There's a spot for some furniture there if we need to have a barbecue or anything like that. So let's take a look at this garage. We have the asphalt driveway. I understand that some of this asphalt was, or maybe all of it, was replaced and new blacktop put on in the recent past. So here's our oversized 2-car garage, and I'll give us a peek of the inside really quick. It's concrete floor, really nice, clean garage. Let me guess which key to use here. Here we go. Alrighty, so here is the garage. Both doors have garage door openers. And yeah, it's nice and tall, really nice condition. This window was actually repurposed when they added the addition on the back of the house. That window was the window that was looking out from the kitchen. So they, if you remember, there was that opening looking from the kitchen to the dining space, and that's where that window was. So there we go, guys. Okay, so is there anything I missed? I don't think so, but feel free to message me if you'd like to see the home, or if you have any specific questions about this home, or about Smithton, or about home buying or home selling. I'm happy to help you. Hope you guys are having a great Thursday evening. I'm loving this weather. It's a little chilly, but I like it. It's okay. And stay tuned. I will probably be back on here pretty soon. Hope you guys are having a great night. See you soon.